Hi, Russell, ProSteamUK here. Once again, we are working on some luxury vinyl tile. Simply carpets and flooring. Installed this, or finished the installation I should say, yesterday. So it's had overnight for the floor to settle and for the glue to set. And so we're going to use our machinery here to clean the floor. As you can see, if I can just lower the exposure a little bit, you might be able to see the dirt on the floor in the reflection. Okay, obviously with even with brand new luxury vinyl tile, there is going to be a certain amount of dirt, surface dirt on the floor, as you can see here, after the floor has been installed. So it's very important to clean the floor, and Simply Carpets do offer the option to have us arrive at your house with professional equipment to deep clean the floor and then to seal the floor. So we're going to apply a satin finish product to this floor, and if you've seen any of the other videos on the YouTube channel, you'll see, know the benefits of sealing the floor and everything. So anyway, we're going to get stuck into this. The time is just gone 10 to 10, and we've got 100 square meters of floor to clean. So it's going to take us probably an hour to an hour and a half to do this. So let's come back after we've cleaned the floor. 2 o'clock, we have finished. 2 applications of Dr. Schutz's matte hard seal have achieved a rather nice satin finish on this herringbone floor, and it's also really brought out the richness of the colours of the floor. See how much deeper the colours look now it's been cleaned and sealed. That floor, once it's cured, it's 24 hours it's going to take to cure. We supply our customers with overshoes so they can still use the floor until the floor has been cured. And we've deep cleaned all around and sealed all around the units. As you can see there, Simply Carpets have done an absolutely brilliant job installing this floor. It really does look really nice. The attention to detail all around these this centerpiece here looks incredible. On the iPhone, it does look like there is a bit of a glare. I can assure you that is just that's just the way it looks on the iPhone. But it's a rather nice satin finish on this floor. There's no reason why this floor will not continue to look like this for anywhere between sort of 12 to 18 months, providing the customer maintains the floor well using Dr. Schutz's PU cleaner. Okay, and we can actually supply customers with an optional maintenance kit, and here it is. So you're looking at, depending on the size of the floor, 1 or 2 bottles of PU cleaner and a decent flat mop and some disposable overshoes. So there you go, folks. If you have a floor that, if you have booked someone to install your floor, why not go the extra mile and get ProSteamUK to deep clean and seal the floor from new. And it can look as good as this one.